In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Weebly to enhance your online store and manage your products effectively. Weebly is a popular website builder known for its user-friendly interface and robust e-commerce features, making it an excellent choice for small business owners and entrepreneurs. First, let's head over to Weebly's dashboard, log into your account, and go to the Overview section. This is where you'll find a concise view of your website's overall performance and functionality. The overview page is your central hub, providing critical insights and updates. Once you're acquainted with this page, navigate to the editor section where we can start making changes and additions to your store. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the X large button. This area often contains various customization options, allowing you to make adjustments that are particularly impactful for larger displays. Utilizing these features ensures your site maintains consistency and appeal, regardless of the device your visitors are using. Now let's focus on managing your store's inventory. Click on Products in the sidebar. Here, you gain access to all the items currently available on your website. It's essential to keep this section up to date to reflect any new products or inventory changes. The next step is to add a new product to your store. Look for and click on Add Products to Store. This opens a new interface where you can begin entering information for your new product. Adding new merchandise is crucial for keeping your offerings fresh and can help boost sales by attracting repeat buyers. Here's where it gets a bit more specific. In the Add Products section, you'll come across a field labeled Highlight. It's important to note that in this step, Weebly is prompting you to enter or highlight certain product details like descriptions or unique features that differentiate your product from others in your catalog. This clarification ensures shoppers quickly understand the value proposition of what you're offering. Type in the necessary details and ensure everything is accurate and compelling. A good product highlight should succinctly communicate what makes the item special. This could be the quality of materials, an attractive price point, or the item's functionality. Finally, after entering all the pertinent information and double-checking each field for accuracy, it's time to save your changes. Click on Save to update your store's inventory and reflect these new products on your website. Saving is a crucial step that confirms all your hard work is not lost, and it allows your customers to start browsing these new additions right away. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and refresh the product offerings in your Weebly online store, enhancing both customer experience and your sales potential. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Weebly website.